Hi, my name is Vivian Nguyen. For my Bio 112 lab project, I'll be describing about the organism Brachiopods. To start off, the common name of Brachiopods are called lamp shells, and the scientific name of Brachiopods is Brachiopoda. Brachiopods are fairly rare to find now, but for their natural habitats, modern brachiopods live in varying seabed habitats that vary in different depths and also in different temperatures. They usually attach to substrates such as caves, crevices, rocks, using their fleshy pedicles. And some brachiopods burrow into sediments in shallow water. In this image, the orange structure in the picture is the pedicle that was mentioned that brachiopods use for attachment. For brachiopods' food source, they are suspension feeders, which means they ingest food particles suspended in water. They open their valve to allow the surrounding waters to come inside of it. After that, their valve will be closed and uses a feeding structure called the lophophore. The lophophore is a coiled organ with many cilia or tentacles, making it fan-like. The lophophore actively beats and pumps water, providing respiration and drawing food towards the mouth. Foods from the water that the brachiopods feed on include plankton and dead organic matter. In this image, in the middle is the structure, the lophophore, and this is what brachiopods use to get their food sources. To reiterate, brachiopods prey on plankton and dead organic matter using their valve and lophophore. On the other hand, brachiopods have little predators that prey on them. This is because of their hard shell. The hard shell on the brachiopods makes the organism unpalatable. Some brachiopods may be poisonous because of the toxicity in their tissue, bringing another characteristics that makes predation for brachiopods minuscule. Brachiopods also have unique evolved traits. This includes their dorsal and ventral valve. The pedicle or ventral valve is typically externally convex, and the other valve, the brachial or dorsal valve, is extremely concave or sometimes conical. Many brachiopods have their valves hinged together, typically by a pair of ventral teeth and dorsal sockets. In this image, you can see at the top is the pedicle valve, which is also known as the ventral valve, and at the bottom is the brachial valve, which is also known as the dorsal valve. Brachiopods are in the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Brachiopoda, and in the monophyletic group Lophotropozoans because of their lophotropes. They are also divided into two classes, the Articulata and the Inarticulata. These two classes are determined on how the two shells are joined. In Articulata, they are joined by the hinge, and they are joined together with teeth that fit into sockets. In the Articulata, they have muscles to hold the shells together. A majority of the fossil brachiopods we find today are articulates. Brachiopods are important to our ecosystem and humankind because they have contributed to scientific research. For example, brachiopod fossils are useful indicators of the ages of different rock layers. They're also important because they host a variety of parasites, also known as polychaetes and gastropods. These are the resources I used for this project. Thank you so much for watching.